ये पॉडकास्ट इसलिए हो रहा है ताकि हमें पता लगे, हमारे व्यूअर्स को पता लगे कि एक डीजे की लाइफ होती कैसी है, वो कितना मेहनत करते हैं, कितना हसल करते हैं, कितना स्ट्रगल, कितना सेक्रीफाइस, कितना एंजॉय करते हैं, ऑल ऑफ इट। तो आपके ऊपर है सबकी आंखें, सब बता दो कि डीजे की लाइफ आखिर होती कैसी है।
यार डीजे की लाइफ अगर देखा जाए तो एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह ही होती है बॉस। ठीक है, हमारा भी नॉर्मल शेड्यूल रहता है, बट a lot of people just see us on the stage or performing. Yes. ठीक है, but that is not our life all the time or throughout the week. But yes, there are things we spend a lot of time in basically isolation. We are preparing our music. अकेले time spend करते हैं like all the artists. Prepare our music and prepare our sets whenever we are performing. So like that, very normal, nothing different from a normal human being. But yes, people when they see you ki oh DJ is performing, so that's an performer time. That time is like basically performing and giving music to people.
Yeah, of course. ये क्वेश्चन मैं इसलिए पूछा था क्योंकि होता क्या है कि whenever somebody sees a DJ playing, सबका ये मन होता है मैं अच्छा कर लूँगा इससे या मैं कर लूँगा या मुझे अच्छे गाने पता है। तो होता क्या है कि जो आइडियोलॉजी है ना कि ये काम बड़ा आसान है, सो आई वांट टू नो कि इस काम के पीछे का जो स्ट्रगल है, जो सैक्रिफाइस, जो मेहनत आप करते हो, प्लीज़ उसके बारे में थोड़ा एलैबोरेट करो ताकि जो लोग सच में डीजे बनना चाहते हैं दे गेट अ रियल आइडिया ऑफ हाउ हार्ड और हाउ फुलफिलिंग योर लाइफ इज।
See, eventually anything is not easy. Same thing comes to DJing as well. It is not easy. ठीक है, first of all, बहुत हार्ड वर्क है. यू हैव टू बिल्ड योर क्राउड, यू हैव टू बिल्ड योर कलेक्शन. ठीक है, देन रीडिंग द क्राउड, दैट्स द क्राफ्ट. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू बी गुड एट. दैट इज व्हाट लाइक यू नो इट टेक्स टाइम. फर्स्ट इवेंट में, सेकेंड इवेंट में, एंड दैट्स अ ह्यूमन नेचर. वो सबको होता है कि इफ दे कम टू माई इवेंट और इफ यू गो टू एनी इवेंट इफ इट इज लाइक यस वी कैन डू बेटर देन दिस गाय, एंड दैट्स ओके, दैट्स ह्यूमन नेचर. But eventually, if you are playing a room of 50 people, 100 people, 500 people, reading that crowd, keeping them together with one track, exactly. That is the art, and that takes a lot of hard work and time. Eventually, a lot of events, a lot of experience.
तो आप कितने साल से अभी इस डीजे इंडस्ट्री में हैं?
मेरे को यार this year it's gonna be almost 13 years. By the end of this year. So.
और मैंने सुना है आपने एक डीजे स्कूल भी खोला है.
Yes, we have started a DJ school.
Uttarakhand first DJ school, official legitimate.
Yes. So 2 years ago, we opened up with a DJ academy in Dehradun, in my personal studio. Now we have made it available for people, for my students who come, for new people who are joining this art. So yes.
So प्लीज़ ये बताओ कि आपने अपनी जर्नी शुरू कैसे करी? बिकॉज यू नो बीइंग अ डीजे, व्हेन अ पर्सन वांट्स टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, उसको पता है ये पढ़ना, ये क्लियर करना है, मैं डॉक्टर बन जाऊंगा. लेकिन डीजे का जो पाथ है ना बड़ा फ्री स्टाइल सा है. तो आपने कैसे शुरू करा और आपको क्या डिफिकल्टीज आई एंड हाउ यू ओवरकेम ऑल ऑफ दैट?
सो हिमांशु जैसा आपने बोला कि बहुत ही फ्री स्टाइल है. ठीक है, तो फ्री स्टाइल ही था. तो 2012 में मेरा मतलब लाइक इंटरेस्ट स्टार्ट कमिंग इन म्यूजिक. ठीक है, मतलब मेरे को अंदर से लग गया कि मैं भी बजाऊंगा. लाइक यू नो आई वेंट टू शोज एंड एज यू सेड ना कि मैं इससे अच्छा कर सकता हूँ. दैट आल्सो केम इन. मैंने कहा आई कैन डू बेटर. बट एज सुन मैं उसमें घुसा, स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग माय कलेक्शन, रिसर्च करनी चालू करी. ठीक है, स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू सर्टेन इवेंट्स. देहरादून में उस टाइम कुछ होता नहीं था, सो इट वाज अ बिट मोर टफ टू लाइक यू नो टू गेट टू नो कि व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, कि लाइक डीजेइंग कैसे करना है. हाँ, ठीक है. सो उसी तरह फ्री स्टाइल चालू हुआ. देन 2014 में थोड़ा कॉन्क्रीट हो गई चीज़ें. आई डिड दिस जॉब इन अ होटल टू बाय माई फर्स्ट कंट्रोलर. राइट. सो एंड आई एम लाइक प्रॉपर मेरे को सिर्फ कंट्रोलर खरीदना था भाई डीजे के लिए. ठीक है, जॉब में मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. ठीक है, 1 month मेरा जैसे कंप्लीट हुआ, आई वेंट टू माय बॉस, आई लाइक वेयर इज माय चेक. ठीक है, he's like come tomorrow, I'll give you a check. I went there tomorrow, he gave me a check, cash करने वाला check. He's like hey, and I'll see you tomorrow. And I knew that there is no coming back. I cashed that check. I bought my first controller and Backflash gaming. Okay. 2014, I named myself Backflash. Okay. And whatever opportunity I got, I started playing.
Nice.
Right.
So the idea is कि जो opportunity मिले उसे कैश कर लो.
Yes.
Because कोई सर्व तो करने नहीं वाला ये चीज़.
No, nobody will serve you.
Anything.
And eventually starting में opportunity भी खुद बनानी पड़ती है.
Yes, exactly.
ठीक है, because nobody knows me.
Yeah.
अब उस टाइम with hardware मेरे पास हार्डवेयर नहीं था कोई भी, ठीक है. Neither did I have a laptop. कंट्रोलर ले गया मैंने. पीसी था, पीसी में मैं कनेक्ट करके प्रैक्टिस तो कर लेता था. अब मैंने कहा प्ले करने जाऊंगा तो वो लैपी का कैसे करूँगा, ठीक है. माई सिस्टर हैड दिस वर्किंग लैपटॉप, रिमेंबर दिस 12 इंचेस वाले आए थे उस टाइम, लाइक 12 इंचेस वन स्मॉल वन, शी हैड अ वर्किंग लैपटॉप. मैंने कहा you have to give me this, I'll install my software in this and I'll perform. But my software used to get hacked. Then there were a few friends, भाई, as सब आर्टिस्ट की जर्नी में होता है, दोस्त हमेशा होता है और दोस्त हमेशा काम भी आता है, ठीक है. तो मेरे एक दोस्त ने, he's still my friend, he gave me his laptop, ठीक है. he's like भाई अपने लैपटॉप करो, and opportunity बनानी मैंने स्टार्ट कर दी. अब जैसे I'm going out, किसी फ्रेंड का बर्थडे, मैंने कहा भाई it's your birthday, I will play music. Because मैं उन 2 साल में 2012 से 2014 में इतना म्यूजिक कलेक्शन बढ़ा चुका था, इतना कुछ सुन चुका था, मुझे चाहिए था कि अब बस सुनाओ उस म्यूजिक को, and I get the feedback. Right? That is the most important. The crowd is the most important. मेरे को तो मतलब मैं अपना बहुत हार्ड क्रिटिक हूँ. मेरे को तो मतलब अब तो अभी तक मुझे बिलीव नहीं होता, क्योंकि मेरे को आके बोलते ना भाई यू आर प्लेइंग वेरी गुड, तो मैं ऐसा होता था, मैंने कहा आर यू श्योर भाई, आर यू श्योर. तो मैं उस टाइम इससे भी ज़्यादा था, तब मेरे को बिल्कुल भी कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं था इस चीज़ का. तो अपॉर्चुनिटी इवेंचुअली बनानी स्टार्ट करी, ठीक है. नेम आया, देहरादून में वेन्यूज़ नहीं थे, कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे जिनके कैफेज थे. म्यूज़िक कल्चर तो देहरादून में था, लाइव कल्चर था. लाइव कल्चर हमेशा से देहरादून, लाइव म्यूजिक कल्चर हैज ऑलवेज बीन देयर बिफोर द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एज वेल, ठीक है. तो कैफेज में जाम होते थे, आई वाज अराउंड पीपल, माय फ्रेंड्स वर इन म्यूजिक, सम वर प्लेइंग गिटार, कोई कीबोर्ड कर रहा था, तो सर्कल तो था. वी न्यू सम स्पॉट्स कि हाँ जहाँ पे जाम होता है. कुछ सीनियर्स भी थे हमारे जिनको सुनने जाते थे. तो बस वहाँ पे फिर मैं अपना सेटअप लेके पहुँचा, एंड एज सून एज आई यूज्ड टू गेट अ चांस, I used to like blast my music. This is the chance. 15 minutes. Let's go.
So भाई you talked about कि feedback समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. What happens जब feedback negative हो? It can happen, है ना? Possibility है the crowd doesn't like it. So how do you handle that?
I think that is the most important feedback. That is what I'm looking for.
Okay.
As if I want to be the best at some point of time.
Yes.
That is the most important thing for me.
Okay.
A negative feedback, because that will make me improve.
Yeah, that's
If everybody is coming and telling me, "Oh man, you're the best,"
yeah.
right? So then there is no scope of improvement.
Yeah, it goes to your head. Yeah.
So that is the best kind of feedback you can get, and I used to get that. My friends, they were in music. तो वो तो straightforward थे कि यार भरत मजा नहीं आ रहा यार, ठीक है. And some used to pick up on me as well. Yeah, भाई मजा नहीं आ रहा है. They knew that I would try more harder, right on that. So they knew that part of me. कि भरत को थोड़ा सा छेड़ेंगे और ये करेगा फिर. So next time he's gonna come, he's gonna get more better music.
Okay.
तो भरत भाई मैं एक चीज़ और आपसे पूछना चाह रहा था. आप मेजरली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और टेक्नो बजाते हो. मैंने एक बार आपकी स्टोरी में आपको बॉलीवुड बजाते हुए भी देखा, और वो वे बेटर, मतलब बहुत ही गांड फाड़ मेरे को लगा. आई एम सो सॉरी, बट लगा. और मैंने आपको उस टाइम ही मैसेज किया था कि भरत भाई ये क्यों नहीं बजाते. तो आप क्यों नहीं बजाते हो बॉलीवुड? और आप उसमें बेस्ट हो, आई नो दैट, इंडिया में बेस्ट हो.
भाई थैंक यू सो मच. लाइक यू सेड दैट कि यार बॉलीवुड मेरे को पसंद बहुत है, ठीक है. Obviously, Bollywood music has been in our veins since we are like in this world. Okay.
इधर यश चोपड़ा था, करण जौहर.
Yeah, so Bollywood music, and plus my influences in music also has been very classical, ठीक है, very Bollywood as well. क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक का एक्सेस नहीं था. As a teenager मेरे पास कोई एक्सेस नहीं था, तो मेरी तो but eventually I want to do something different, ठीक है. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक फैसिनेट मेरे को बहुत करता था, ठीक है. तो बॉलीवुड, कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन, बॉलीवुड में इसलिए नहीं बजाता बिकॉज मेरे को किक इसमें मिलती है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में, राइट?
पहले आप बजाते थे?
बहुत बजाता मैं अभी भी फॉर माय ओन पीपल, ठीक है, बट बैकफ्लैश इज नॉट बॉलीवुड. Backflash is focused on electronic music,
Okay.
and that has been my journey always, right? To do something different, to pursue something which which has a long road. Electronic has that.
Yeah.
Yes, it
Right.
is.
It can take you a next level wavelength.
Yes, Bollywood थोड़ा सा monotonous हो जाता है.
Yes.
For me,
Yes.
not for the other DJs. For me, मेरे को ऐसा लगता
मेरे
है.
को लगता था कभी कभार
obviously. I cannot play the same tracks in all the events, right? And Bollywood, yeah, people love the same tracks. Aaj bhi Oh is still there.
Yeah.
And it is always going to be there. It's a golden track.
Yes.
So I want to choose the tougher, the longer road.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
That got me into electronic, and there was so much new music, right? So that is the reason. But
So who's your idol in electronic or techno?
Music.
there are a lot of inspirations. Yeah, there's a lot of inspirations, and they keep on changing as you keep on evolving, right? Starting में obviously, when I didn't have access, so I used to get these CDs burned. If you have, I don't know if there was store याद हो, देहरादून के local, I think all the people know that store. मधुबन के opposite, होटल मधुबन के opposite एक छोटा सा म्यूजिक का स्टोर होता था. CCD के बगल में छोटी सी शॉप.
M Planet तो नहीं था?
No, that was Planet M. That was the other thing. एक छोटी सी भैया की शॉप थी, मुझे उनका नाम याद नहीं है. This is my school days.
Okay.
ठीक है. And we used to I think $200-$250 में used to get a CD board. 21 tracks आते थे एक CD में. ठीक है. And we used to get UK Top 40 in that chart. UK Top 40. ठीक है. इंटरनेट एक्सेस इतने लोगों के पास था, मेरे पास नहीं था तब तक. ठीक है. कुछ फ्रेंड्स के पास था. ठीक है.
तो कैफेज ही होते थे कि वो इंटरनेट कैफेज.
ठीक है. तो वहाँ से वो सीरीज, तो वहाँ से थोड़ा सा मुझे एक्सेस मिलना चालू हुआ. देन कुछ लाइक माइंडेड दोस्त भी थे अपने साथ. मेरा एक और फ्रेंड था, ही स्टिल माय वेरी गुड फ्रेंड, एंड हम आज भी सेम लेवल पे म्यूजिक शेयर करते हैं. तो वो भाई भी बिल्कुल ना एकदम ढूंढ के लाता था म्यूजिक, एंड वी यूज्ड टू लाइक वाइब ऑन सिमिलर आर्टिस्ट की, राइट? तो ट्रांस म्यूजिक में बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक इट मेड मी फील that this is very good. So much emotion, so much melodies, and then a sweet vocalist coming in between. Might be a female vocal, might be a good male vocalist.
Yes.
And beautiful music. मतलब वहाँ से मेरे को क्लिक होना स्टार्ट हुआ electronic music. So I entered through that. So Arthur Van Buren, Tiesto,
Yeah.
right? Ferry Corsten, So this is the kind of artists I started to listen. And फिर मैं घुस गया भाई.
Nice.
फिर I was like भाई अब.
So भाई अभी ना आने से पहले आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू योर 2023 सेट. सो मैं तो मज़ा आ गया था. 15 मिनट कहाँ निकले मुझे नहीं पता. इट वॉज वेरी नाइस. उसमें मुझे ये बात रियलाइज़ हुई, जैसे तुमने बॉलीवुड के बारे में बात करी. सो व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड इज कि बॉलीवुड में एक तो लिरिक्स हैं. द बेसिक डिफरेंसेस, यहाँ लिरिक्स हैं, वहाँ लिरिक्स नहीं है. सो व्हेन अ पर्सन एड्स लिरिक्स, इट्स क्यूरेटेड टू मेक यू फील्स अ स्पेशल इमोशन. बट इन टेक्नो म्यूजिक आप अपनी ऑडियंस को एक कैनवस दे रहे हो एंड यू आर आस्किंग देम टू पेंट योर थॉट्स, जो मिल जाए. मुझे ये समझ में आया. आई होप यू लाइक इट. यस. सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट वन इज कि बैकफ्लैश नाम का मतलब क्या है, कहाँ से आया, रीज़न क्या है?
So eventually as a kid, I used to connect with music, like, with my memories. I used to listen to some track and there used to be some memory with that track, right? So अब वो track कहीं और चल रहा है, किसी और जगह पे. So I'm getting flashback of those memories, right?
Okay.
So that is how Backflash was born.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. So दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि हर किसी को लगता है डीजे की लाइफ बहुत ग्लैमरस है, क्योंकि सब उसी को देखते हैं, लाइट सारी वही हैं. लेकिन आप ये बताओ कि उस ग्लैमर के साथ की रियलिटी क्या है?
व्हाट इज़ द मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ अ डीजे? मतलब उसकी स्लीप साइकिल कैसी रहती है, उसका मतलब लाइफस्टाइल कैसी रहती है, क्या है?
Yeah, so you're right that everybody sees this, that it's glamorous, and it is. No, ऐसा नहीं है कि it has its pros. ठीक है, pros भी है डीजे लाइफ के, that yeah, maybe like आपकी लाइफ glamorous है and you have to spotlight, or maybe you're the cool person in the group, ठीक है. But it has the different side as well, right? Like as you said, there's no sleep. Your sleep cycle is not there with you at all, right? also then like your ear is getting used
Yes.
more than the other people.
Yes.
Okay, I think most of the DJs I know right now are either down with some ear issue or
Okay.
on their way,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Because you are exposed,
Mhm.
right? That is there, and then as you said, like as soon as your set is done, then like you're just out of the spotlight,
Yes.
right? Then you're a normal human being. So to like process that, it takes time,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
So ये भी एक बात है कि glamorous है, and then there's pros and bats like every job.
Mhm.
ठीक है? And as you said कि mental health is a very very big issue
Yeah.
in I think not only just DJing,
Mhm.
in I think all the performing arts, like जैसे सबसे major example everybody has seen is Honey Singh कैसे how did like his mental health took over him,
Exactly.
and India में like and there are more artists as well.
Yes.
ठीक है. DJing थोड़ा क्या है, DJing में there is no support system for your mental health. As I said that DJing हो गया, कोई भी performing arts हो गया, it's more of a isolation work, और अकेले ही इंसान काम करता है, अकेले ही आर्टिस्ट बैठा है स्टूडियो में, बैठा है प्लेलिस्ट बना रहा है, अकेले बजा रहा है. तो with your mental health, so he's dependent on everything on himself. As artist or as a DJ, I'm dependent on everything on myself. So when like if anything goes bad with like your mental health or your performance or anything, so there also like then a person thinks that I am the only one who can sort it out. तो वो support नहीं है.
Okay. So how do you handle that? Do you do something special, meditation वगैरह, anything?
Oh, I'm still learning यार.
Okay.
I'm still learning. I do work out.
Yeah.
ठीक है. I try कि I hit the gym 4 times, 5 times, maybe 6 times a week as well.
Okay.
ठीक है. So I try to level it out, but I'm still like I'm learning.
Mhm.
And I've thought about this like through I think this podcast. I've thought about this. I was just thinking about this yesterday because there has been like times where I have faced a lot of issues mentally, and eventually I landed up with myself. Right? Because there's no support, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Now you're the cool dude of the space.
Yeah.
You're the performer, you're the star. Now who are you gonna go to and say, oh man, I'm not feeling good.
They'll think
Right.
he's weak.
I'm not feeling happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother, come on, like you're playing, you're making everybody so happy.
Yeah.
So that way it's वो बहुत isolated एक space हो जाती है. वो spiral down कर देती है किसी भी artist को.
Yeah.
Even like if you speak to any artist, I think they may properly relate to this.
Exactly.
Like वो एक बहुत dark space हो जाती है because वो artist अपने पे rely करने लग जाता है उस चीज के लिए.
Exactly.
So yesterday only I was thinking that that I would be creating this like support group, like a small WhatsApp group where me, some of my friends, DJs.
एक्चुअली जिसके हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं वो भी एक सपोर्ट ग्रुप बनाने की सोच रही थी, जो हमारे यहाँ पे साइकोथेरेपिस्ट जिनका हमने अभी पॉडकास्ट किया, तो यू कैन कनेक्ट विद हर ऑल्सो टू.
Definitely,
Yeah.
and I think she would shed some more light
Yeah, exactly,
about how
yeah.
I can go ahead with this because
You can also consult her one time if you want to.
I definitely want that this thing should be there for artists.
Yes,
Exactly.
it should be.
For artists specifically.
Yes, yes.
A group
Right? A
only.
normal human being can come eventually. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
For artists, it takes a lot.
Yes.
Yes, it takes a lot.
So that is what I'm saying. For
Artists
this should be
need
there.
someone to talk, someone to share, and there are no people other than a psychotherapist.
It's tough
or
for him,
a-
man. He's a cool person.
Yeah.
Come on, you'll be like, bro, come on. How can you be sad?
Yes.
Exactly. Exactly. When nobody appreciates you, you have to be the person who appreciates yourself. Exactly. So let's talk about money. Because लोगों को ही लगता है अब ये तो डीजे है, दो तरह के हैं, या तो दे थिंक हाउ इज ही सर्वाइविंग, या तो ये थिंक कि यार मज़ा आ गया, ये होती है लाइफ. तो आप ये बताओ कि शुरू करते हैं जब डीजे तो उनको कितना मनी मिल सकता है, और जब एक डीजे एस्टैब्लिश हो जाता है इज देयर अ लिमिट?
Okay.
और इसमें आप अपनी कहानी भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
Sure. यार when a person starts, see eventually मैं इसको अपनी जर्नी के हिसाब से बताऊंगा. Like my approach towards DJing was not money at all.
Okay.
ठीक है. Eventually मेरे को हमेशा यही था, and that is how I've been brought up, कि just do your hard work and money is gonna come.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Do what you love.
yeah,
And
and this is what I tell all of my students as well who come to my academy. Because I ask them, what is your goal with DJing? And when they say, oh, you know, we just want to earn a lot of money, like, don't keep this approach. If you're good at something, money is going to flow,
Yes.
right? But first you have to make a niche for yourself,
Okay. Yeah. Exactly.
a small name for yourself, or a small crowd for yourself. They might be your friends. My crowd for the longest time were my friends, and they still are.
Yeah.
They support you. The
Yeah.
real people they will come and support you.
Okay.
So the money will eventually flow. But if you see just a normal market, like, you know, how a basic entry level DJ can get around, like, you know, from 3 to 7,000 rupees a event
Yes.
Okay.
in Dehradun,
In the-
Oh, that's nice.
depending on the venue,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So
That's nice. And what about the DJ who's established?
as you said, there's no limit.
No limits.
There's no limit.
So, is there any story or example you want to share about how much people are earning?
See, I've never been like, I always like appreciate people for their art,
Yeah.
not about how much they're earning. There are a lot of good talent, but they're not earning.
Yeah.
So for me, I never identify an artist according to how much he's earning,
Mhm.
though that's the trend these days.
Mm-hmm.
Because, and I'll tell you why. Because the entertainment factor has entered the DJ
Yes.
thing.
Yeah.
So eventually, like, you know, people have started to think like if a DJ is like, you know, earning a lot of money, he's a good DJ.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't agree with that. There are a lot of good DJs who are earning well as, like, you know,
Yeah.
as well, and there are a lot of good DJs who are not earning well.
Exactly. So, what is the difference? एक अच्छा DJ पैसे क्यों नहीं कमा पा रहा है?
I think it totally depends where he is, like, you know, which city.
Okay.
Like I'm from Dehradun, and it's a tier 2 city,
Exactly.
right? There's not a lot of opportunities. Okay. Also, artists are not good at marketing.
Exactly.
Like if you look at me, like there are some organizers I talk to, and they're like backflash, like, you know, we want you for this event, and then I pursue them, and then I'm like, hey man, what happened to that event? And then they're like, that, you know, we booked someone, you know, they had like 5K followers or 10K followers. So I'm like, okay, but if you see me, I just have like 1,800, 2,000 followers. Original ID है मेरी यार 2014 से, right? I'm not good at, I can be good at my DJing. I'm not good at marketing.
Yes.
And I think that is the only thing which, because it has become a market of, like, you know, social media now.
सो भरत, मैं एक चीज़ और पूछ रहा था आपसे कि टेक्नोलॉजी इतने सालों में डीजे में कैसे इफेक्ट आया है, कितना डीजे में चेंज आया है, कैसे?
Yeah, technology, I think, has played a very major role in almost all of our lives.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly.
Right. So in DJing as well. So DJing, now what do you say? DJing is digital now.
Mm-hmm.
So before, like, when I entered DJing, जो हमसे पहले वाला generation था, they used to play on turntables or CDJs, and अगर आप लोगों को याद हो तो they used to have this big CD racks ही बोलते थे, हमको लेके आते थे, एक CD फटाफट बनाते थे.
CD album.
So now अब music has shifted digitally. अब आप एक USB stick में अपना music लेके world over travel कर सकते हो.
Exactly.
Right? Brands like Pioneer, Denon, the global level brands.
Yeah.
Right? And what their goal now with DJing is to make DJing accessible for everyone.
Yeah.
Right? Unlike the time when I entered.
Yeah.
So you need to require a special skill set to be a DJ.
Yeah.
Right? वो थोड़ा रहता था कि यार you want to be a DJ, or you need to have this special skill set. You should know how to beat match without, like, you know, looking at the screen, just with your ear.
Yes.
Right? Now it's not that. Now all the global brands, or, like, you know, the companies, they want DJing to be accessible to everyone.
Yeah.
You can DJ. He can DJ.
Yeah.
If you give it some time, you've got a good collection. So technology has helped DJing like that.
Okay.
Though no doubt, like, you know, what do you say, DJs from previous generations then are, they feel like, yeah, it's become more easy. But eventually it is always gonna get evolved.
Yes. Exactly.
Right? And the
So-
more...
No, you go ahead.
Okay. So there are two questions from my side. आपने बताया कि टेक्नोलॉजी से डीजेइंग काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सेसिबल हो चुकी है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ दिस कि टेक्नोलॉजी से कोई लिमिटेशन भी आई है डीजेइंग में, द स्किल ऑफ डीजेइंग. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि बैरियर टू एंट्री बहुत कम हो चुका है. So now there are a lot of DJs or people think who have the skill set. So वो कैसे disrupt कर रहा है industry को if it's doing that?
See, as you said कि barrier बहुत कम हो गया है, right? Now everybody can DJ.
Yeah.
So competition भी बढ़ गया है.
Yeah.
But eventually, I think if a person has a good skill set,
Yeah.
the craft I was talking about, reading the crowd,
Yeah.
that no technology can give you
Okay.
ever.
Yeah.
That is you and the crowd,
Yeah.
face to face.
So what do you like, analog or digital?
Oh, I like digital. Analog has better sound,
Okay.
no doubt.
Okay.
But now we are working on digital setups,
Yeah.
right? And in clubs, we're just working on proper CDJs. So I'll explain what like CDJs are. So it's like 3 elements. There are 2 players.
Okay.
You must have seen them in the clubs.
Yeah.
There are 2 players and there's 1 mixer,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And so you can plug in your pen drive, right? And there's a link cable. So
Okay.
there are 2 screens. So your playlist is on both the screens.
Okay.
And your waveform of the tracks is visible,
Okay.
right? You can like toggle your playlist, right? And you can mix it from the mixer. You have a headphone from which you can cue the music.
Okay.
And queuing basically will advance listen.
Yeah.
You can listen what you want to put out.
Yes.
Or introduce the next track. So now it's that like the standard of the industry has become that,
Yes. Exactly.
right? So
Exactly.
old but still there are some people they carry their own setup. It's all about preference. But if you have to perform in any club in India or any good decent venue, they would have a standard DJ console.
Yeah. Exactly.
So you have to go through that.
Exactly. ओके सो जैसे आपने बात करी थी कि डीजिंग में आपको बहुत लोगों से टच में आना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू कनेक्ट विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू हैव टू कनेक्ट विद द राइट क्लब्स, द राइट स्पॉन्सर्स एंड द ऑडियंस ऑफ कोर्स. सो यहाँ पे पीपल स्किल्स बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाते हैं. तो आप बताओ कि एज अ बीइंग अ डीजे नेटवर्किंग और निगोशिएशन स्किल्स कितने इंपॉर्टेंट हैं?
And collaborations.
Yeah, I think they're very important. And I think not just for DJing,
Exactly.
for everything. ठीक है, networking skills should be there.
Yeah.
ठीक है, negotiation में भाई मैं खुद अच्छा नहीं. So I will not give any suggestions.
Okay.
ठीक है, but yes,
Yeah.
it should be there. I'm still learning that.
Okay.
ठीक है, and collaborations are the most important thing.
Yeah.
I think that is the most important thing which I feel because for me, DJing is a collaboration, like space. DJing or even music production. If you are not collaborating, then then you're just walking your own path, and it becomes more tough.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
If you're collaborating, there's some taste coming of the other person as well. So in DJs, like we do sets, B2B sets, like back to back.
Okay.
So there are 2 DJs who are on the same console.
Yeah.
One track I'm playing, the other track that person is playing, and we're mixing that together.
Nice.
So in DJing, that is how we collaborate, just on the show. But on like towards the, if you see like in the studio, if you're producing music, then if like for example me and Himanshu is producing a track, so he might like some instrument which sounds better, which I am not aware of.
Yeah.
So collaboration is super important, and that keeps our craft alive.
Exactly.
That should always be there.
So is there any advice for people who are aspiring DJs? Like anything you want to say?
I think the most simple and the most basic advice which I want to give is just keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. It's a tough path. It's a tough road. Okay, you will find yourself alone, right? But you have to keep going. That's how strong your will should be towards what you want to do, like what you are playing, right? And it will test you.
Yeah.
It will test you. COVID was the biggest example for all the people,
Yeah.
right? Who are DJing or who are in the entertainment business, because that sector closed the most early
Yes.
and opened the most late, right? So yeah, it is gonna test you. So my advice is just keep going.
Okay.
Have that strong will and have that confidence, and also keep having fun with music. You should not let that go. Music is all about having fun as well.
So उत्तराखंड में आपको क्या लगता है कि उत्तराखंड में कहाँ जा रहा है इसका डीजेइंग कल्चर? कहाँ मतलब इट्स ग्रोइंग और व्हाट?
It is growing, but at a slow pace, right? And also we are DJing. So DJing industry is totally like connected to the hospitality industry,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Opportunities come from the hospitality industry. right? So obviously Uttarakhand is growing that sector, right? So the opportunities are also increasing, and there are more people coming out, right? As I told you before, like in my academy, I've got like student as young as 17 and as old as 45, 46.
Okay.
So I think that's a very nice question from your side. And the previous question about aspiring DJs, because ये सब connected है. The reason we asked this because we know that you have opened the first DJing school in Uttarakhand.
Yes.
And that's a very, very big spot for you because I think you are giving back to the culture now.
Yes.
You want people to understand DJing.
So also I want to correct you here. So my academy is not the first one.
Okay.
So there's one of my friends. I think you also know him. Two of my friends. They opened this academy in 2014.
Okay.
14 if I think. I might be wrong. DJ Pammi
Okay.
and DJ Aman, and they both are locally based and they are very good DJs and my very good friends.
Okay.
But people are not aware.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was there in the scene, and I think they eventually had 1, 2, maybe 5 students because people didn't know about this.
Yes.
So before we put this out, like but mine is the first one I can say because I'm also getting that kind of feedback.
Who's sustaining?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now people are more aware,
Yes.
and now people don't look down upon DJing.
Yes.
Exactly.
There was a time, like that people used to look down upon DJing.
Hmm.
That DJing kya hai ye? Right now it's not.
This is the reason for this podcast. People hate what they don't understand.
To break the taboo.
Yeah, but when people understand that this is also a 24/7 job, a profession, it's
a
very
real
important.
profession.
Yeah, so that's very important. So coming back to your school that you've opened, is the coolest DJ Backflash a strict teacher?
Oh, I think that is for my students to answer.
Okay.
But one thing I do in my academy is I only give one-on-one classes.
Okay.
So there is no batch classes.
That's nice.
So that so my academy name is DAB, DABB, and the full form is DJ Academy by Backflash.
Oh.
And I'll tell you the reason. So academy I opened in 2023, but eventually I was helping people with DJing like way before than that.
Okay. Yes.
Right? It's like, as I said, a collaborative spirit. So, for example, when I was just DJing, and my friend comes up, so my close friend goes, "Bhai, apna hua hai, I'm curious about it." I'm like, "हाँ भाई, आजा, बैठते हैं,
Okay.
laptop लिया,
Okay.
collaborative spirit, that shouldn't die." मैंने कहा, "आजा चल सीखते हैं." तो वो था, and one of my friends who's a very established DJ right now,
Okay.
ठीक है, left his hospitality sector. He worked in the hospitality sector. Yes, and came into DJing. He eventually learned the basics from me. Then he suggested, he's like, "Yeah, when you are teaching this to me, 2, 3, 4, 5 other people, why don't you
Yeah.
go ahead and
Exactly.
take this professionally?" But as I said, me being so hard critic on myself, मैंने कहा यार देख भाई you are my brother वाले कि तुझे बता रहा हूँ मैं, but I was very what do you say, मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा था कि जो मुझे पता है, will I be a good teacher?
Yeah.
I'm a good performer, I'm a good DJ,
Mhm.
but that doesn't mean I could be a good mentor,
Yes.
right? But eventually my students and people have learned from me.
Yes.
They also made me believe in myself. The early students who were from DAB, and I'm so proud of my students. They all are playing, good shows, big shows. One of my
And
students,
also earning also.
yeah.
Yeah.
One of the students, he played a holy show for 900 people. Okay. So, and I think that is that is everything I need. So I'm not a strict teacher, but if it comes to mentorship, when we're in the studio, we are not friends,
Yes.
Cool.
right?
Yeah.
That is a space where I want them to listen to what I'm saying,
Mhm.
and if they don't understand anything, they can ask me. So that is what I try and maintain
Great.
in my academy. And when we meet out, it's like DJing is it's a chill space, right?
Yeah.
It's not like a college.
Yeah.
And even the students who enroll, if they want to join the college, they would have joined the college. If they're coming to a DJ academy, they need that space
Yeah.
where it's not like, "Hi, sir, can I do this?" They can be like, "Hey man, I just do understand this thing.
Some
Tell me
progress.
about this." So
Yeah.
there's that relationship as well, which I maintain.
So we were talking about your school सो प्लीज़ टेल मोर, एलैबोरेट करो थोड़ा कि वो फी स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, कैसे कोर्सेज हैं, कहाँ लोकेशन है, मतलब कब शुरू होता है कब ख़त्म, ऑल ऑफ दैट.
और हाउ इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट कि किसी को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि इसको मैं डीजे कोर्स दूँ या इसको दूँ.
You're starting from you, so we are offering 2 courses for now. One is the basic one and one is the advanced one. Basic one I recommend to people who want to do this as a hobby.
Okay.
Because a lot of people are coming out, people are so much stuck in their corporate jobs that they see this thing as a out for them.
Yes.
Right? And advanced one I recommend to people who are thinking of making this as their full-time career or
Okay.
who want to work as professional DJs. So these are the 2 courses we are offering right now. We are located on Rajpur Road, okay, near Diablo.
Oh.
Right? And selection का कुछ नहीं है श्री भाई, like ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि I like select. But when anybody calls me for like inquiring about the course, I definitely ask them a few questions like sometimes there are people who are just like want to do DJing because they are not doing anything else. So I do tell them कि like don't think कि if you just do this you're gonna be playing next in the club and you're gonna be the big DJ. So I give them the choice, right? Because I'm nobody to select. If somebody wants to opt and come, they can. But I do tell them that this is the reality. That is, I think, that is my responsibility to tell them as a mentor. So these are the things you will go through. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मैं तुम्हें एक क्लास में सब बता दूंगा. और with my school ऐसा भी नहीं होता है. So like duration पे आता है. So with like basic course duration is 1 month. Right? We do 2 sessions, alternative days.
Okay.
Right? And with advanced one it's 10 sessions. So it's almost 45 days if anybody attends the sessions regularly. Right? So when you come to the duration, so I tell them कि ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक क्लास में सब पता चल जाएगा, और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि अगर तुम्हें 10 सेशंस में 8 सेशंस में कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो you will be just done from my academy. Like we have a small group of our own academy where we share music every morning, where DJs who are like coming up, जो सारे students हैं, they like help each other. कोई like that somebody wants कि हाँ यार what controller I should buy, what console I should buy, मेरा logo, like where did you get your logo? So that we have a very small group, and that is what I want, that it should become a community. Then just like that come, learn and like you're gone. No.
Yes. Yeah.
We are there, I'm always there for all of my students. Nevertheless, just not for DJing, for everything else as well.
Okay. Yes.
दिस इज़ वन थिंग आई हैव टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ टीचर्स. सो उनके अंदर जो एक सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है ना लोगों को राइट पाथ में गाइड करने का, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग दे नो बीइंग अ टीचर. आई थिंक यू माइट हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट टू.
Yes, and I think that's what my students have made me realize.
Yeah.
So sometimes my students also like they also teach me stuff about life,
Nice.
right? And I'm getting experience as a mentor, as a teacher, just because I have students.
Yes.
If there's no way to learn, then I'm not a mentor,
Yes.
right? So eventually, it's now 2 years. So yeah, slowly.
Yes.
It will be great. It is great.
या एग्जैक्टली.
यस. सो मैं एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा था आपसे कि जैसे एक डीजे की लाइफ होती है, बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स में जाता है, बहुत सारे पब्स में जाता है, बहुत सारी जगहों में जाता है, प्राइवेट इवेंट्स पे जाता है, तो उसके आसपास इतना इंटॉक्सिकेशन होता है कि हाउ अ डीजे कंट्रोल हिमसेल्फ, और इज इट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कंट्रोल हिमसेल्फ बिकॉज ऑफ हिज करियर और व्हाट?
I think yes, it is very important because DJs have access to everything which a normal individual in the club doesn't have. Right? A DJ is not buying the drinks.
Yeah.
Drinks are on the house for a DJ, right? And so it's very important, and I think you need to be disciplined, right? Because if you're not disciplined and you slip, and if it is showing in your DJing, then it becomes a problem for yourself.
Yes.
Right? So, and I think everybody faces this eventually.
Yeah.
All the DJs who have been there for 5 years, 10 years, more than that. So everybody has faced that, but it's all about how you come out of it.
सो आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि कैसे बाहर निकलना चाहिए, इफ इज देयर एनीवन कि जो अभी इसमें पड़ा हो, इज डिक्लाइनिंग हिज करियर बिकॉज ऑफ इंटॉक्सिकेशन एंड ऑल?
Yeah, I'll not talk about anybody else. It has happened with me. ठीक है, I have slipped. ठीक है, and it's a human nature. You will slip eventually. ठीक है, you are not God. You will slip. ठीक है. So I think the thing which most like helped me coming out, or when I'm in phases where I'm like, you know, maybe drinking more, and first thing, I'm a very firm believer of God. So I think that is the one main thing which has always helped me. So
Jai
always
Mahakal.
been- Yes, always been there. And then also I have a very good support system, my parents, my siblings.
Okay.
And so many people, they look up to me. So I think that always gives me, what do you say, a light in the dark tunnel, that yes,
Yeah,
people
exactly.
like, you know, are looking up to me, and I can't let them down. And now my students have also added up there.
Yes.
दिस थिंग आई ऑल्सो लर्न अबाउट लाइफ कि 30 साल हो गए अब जीते हुए, तो ये समझ में आया कि सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के साथ सेल्फ अश्योरेंस जो है वो तब आती है जब आपके पास कोई सपोर्ट सिस्टम हो,
बिल्कुल।
फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, हुएवर, अगर कोई है जिसके पास आप जाके बात कर सके, अपनी थॉट्स शेयर कर सके और वहाँ से सपोर्ट मिल जाए बिना किसी नेगेटिव जजमेंट के, इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग आई थिंक, एंड यू हैव दैट, सो यू आर ब्लेस्ड.
Yes, and I thank God each and every day. I follow gratitude. That is one main thing. If anybody is like watching this and going through, like, you know, a problem in their
difficult
professional life, nevertheless, if it's DJing or any kind of life, I think gratitude will definitely help.
Exactly.
Like, you know, when you start being thankful for things, you realize how much blessed you are.
Exactly.
सो ये तो बड़ी भारी और डीप बात हो गई, थोड़ा लाइट बात करते हैं ना, माहौल लाइट करते हैं. सो टेल अस समथिंग मेमोरेबल फ्रॉम योर एक्सपीरियंस, जो चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है, शेयर करना चाहते हो, एनीथिंग, एनी एग्जांपल, स्टोरी, व्हाटएवर.
जिसने आपके चक्रास खोल दियो.
I think all of the events have been memorable for me. Each and every, like, you know, event, or I've learned stuff from all the events, ठीक है, और some big events as well, and especially कुछ memorable events ऐसे हैं जो मैं play करके या फिर perform करके आया, and a father, he said to me, oh, I saw a hoarding
Wow.
where your picture is there.
Yes.
ठीक है, and I think that is nothing as a individual, as a human being, ठीक है, gives me more happiness.
Yeah.
If, like, you know, more than that.
That compliment from the man in the house, that's worth a lot.
Compliment, yeah, from like
Yeah.
the God
Exactly.
himself. So I think that is everything for me.
That makes sense.
सो अभी ना एक ऐसी बात करते हैं कि डीजेस अब पूरी क्राउड के लिए प्ले कर रहे हैं. बहुत टाइप के लोग हैं क्राउड में, हर किसी को तो आप खुश नहीं कर सकते. सो व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट इरिटेटिंग थिंग यू थिंक कि डीजेस के साथ होती है हर बार?
वो कॉमन वाली तो सबको पता है, जो रिक्वेस्ट आती है, कुछ अलग डिफरेंट बताइए.
So this common problem is more troublesome for electronic DJs.
Okay.
The request problem is not trouble for Bollywood DJs. अब इसमें, like, you know, if you go back, so in India, a lot of people think DJs are just for requests. Because DJing, like, you know, the, what do you say, nightlife industry is just evolving. Especially in Dehradun, if you see. It's not been there for like 50 years, 100 years, or like, you know, like that. Like in some other countries, it has been like for more than like 30, 40 years. So people have a tough time understanding that a DJ can also be an artist.
Yes.
Where he's showing you his own music. And electronic music, everybody is showing their own music. So request becomes a more bigger problem with electronic people.
Exactly.
People like me, people like other DJs. If somebody comes up and you're playing electronic music and he's like, oh man, can you play one of my requests? You know. So, and if it's from different genre.
Yeah.
So that is one problem for electronic DJs. And excuse me. And the other problem, another problem is if anybody spills their drinks on the console. Okay.
It's a
That is,
major.
yes, that is something which has happened with me, and that is something which I fear in all of my events.
Okay, yeah, that's
So, yeah.
that might be the worst thing that can happen to a DJ.
Yeah, but eventually everybody's enjoying, right?
Yeah.
Like if you're in a space where it's like, you know, it's an event is happening and people are listening to music, so वो लोग भी enjoy कर रहे हैं, आप भी enjoy कर रहे हो,
Yeah.
so there's a lot of chance that this could happen.
Yes.
Right, but like the clubs have made like the DJ area or the DJ console more secure
Okay.
than before.
Okay.
So
सही.
So there's nobody standing and dancing
Yeah.
on the woofers in front of you.
it's more controlled environment now.
Yes.
So that's good.
Oh, cool. Okay.
सो बैकफ्लैश, अभी आप ना ये बताओ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, आपके लिए पीस क्या है?
But peace is everything.
लाइक हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई पीस दैट नाउ आई एम पीसफुल?
Peace, I tell you, peace is everything for me.
Yeah.
Okay? That is what I'm chasing in life.
Okay.
I know it might sound ironic that I'm playing in clubs and I'm looking out for peace.
Yeah.
Okay? But that gives me a level of peace I'm like, you know, chasing in life.
Okay.
And for me, like I've looked for peace in a lot of places, but eventually as I've joined the 30 club, so eventually I've realized that peace is from the within, yaar.
Yeah. Exactly.
Within में है वो peace ना, वो I am looking out for that. वो within से है, when like you know, for me it's a state of mind. वो मेरे अंदर है, like you know, I want that. That's what I'm looking for, and it comes from different factors. But eventually I'm learning कि you don't have to depend your peace on different factors.
Okay,
तभी वो
yeah,
peace
nice.
मिलते रहता है.
So
तभी
you
I'm peaceful at one moment नहीं हो रहा हूँ.
Okay.
Eventually उसी पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
Exactly.
That is, I have become a student of God in this peace के लिए.
So
Peace is something you find in yourself. Yes. And it's a practice to be peaceful.
Yes.
Yes.
You know?
It is.
Exactly. So, एक question. Finally, do you have any other question?
मेरे पे एक क्वेश्चन.
You ask that question first.
तो मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि आप जो कर रहे हो उसी से आप प्यार करते हो, मतलब जो आपने प्रोफेशन चूज़ किया उसी से आप प्यार करते हो. ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है कि आपको वो चीज़ परस्यू करनी है जिससे आप प्यार करते हो और उसको हासिल करना. इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. तो लोगों को आप क्या कहना चाहोगे कि जो भी वो चीज़ कर रहे हैं जिससे वो प्यार करते हैं, तो हाउ टू कोप अप विद दैट, कि कभी भी कोई दिक्कत है, उनको स्ट्रेस होता है, मेंटल हेल्थ होता है, परिवार साथ नहीं देता है, दोस्त बोलते हैं क्या कर रहा है, मतलब यू हैव टू डू दिस एंड दैट, तो उनको आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
I think यार किसी भी चीज़ से अगर आप प्यार करते हो, या if you are like you know fall in love with your like you know music, ठीक है, eventually it will test you.
yes.
ठीक है, just keep going यार. It will test you. Just keep going. ठीक है, बहुत problems आएगी, as you said, people will not support you. ठीक है, but keep going, and I think everything falls into the place. ठीक है, so
At the right time.
Yeah. This question makes a lot more sense because you are doing something you love and you're making money out of it.
Yes.
And you're having a living and you're fine in your life.
Yes.
Okay. So there are a lot of people who are not doing what they love and they are surviving. Yes. But because you are blessed to be in this position, you are grateful about it. What is your advice to people who might be doing what they love? So tell them about the realities, the different side of the coin that comes with it. Because एक तरफ से ब्लेसिंग आ रही है, दूसरी तरफ से हसल भी चल रहा है, रगड़ा लग रहा है, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताओ. दूसरी बात तो ये है, क्योंकि यू नो एक लाइन है कि बी केयरफुल व्हाट यू विश फॉर बिकॉज इट माइट कम ट्रू.
Yes.
सो आपके लिए तो हो गया कम ट्रू. सो उसके बाद बताओ कि इसके साथ जो हसल है, जो स्ट्रगल है, जो मेहनत है, वो कितनी हो सकती है?
क्या है?
yeah, as you said, the different side of the coin is कि sometimes artists don't have money to pay the bills. We are living in a society. Everybody has to pay bills. Everybody, parents are getting old. Okay, everybody is growing. Okay, so this is the different side of the coin. Okay, and that is how your love towards your art will test you.
Yeah.
That you will not have what the society wants right now. Right? You will not have money. Maybe you will not have a vehicle. Right? There was a time I didn't have like recharge in my phone. So the people who were calling me, they couldn't reach me. So this is the different side of the coin.
Yeah.
And but still my love towards what I do is more stronger than that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it makes me like when something like that is happening, it will like it will test you. You will feel like you are like like you can try different things.
Yeah.
You do that, but eventually your will towards your work and art will get you across.
Yeah, the willpower. That's very important, of course. That's a nice answer. So एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन पे करते हैं ख़त्म इसको. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट फॉर बैकफ्लैश? क्या होने वाला है? स्कूल के बारे में हमने बात करी, आपके करियर के बारे में बात करी, कहाँ से आए, कैसे किया, पर अब क्या?
अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप इन योर लाइफ?
काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें पाइपलाइन में हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है. Some new projects, some new collaboration with music productions. Already have some music out. Some new tracks are coming.
Yeah.
Also, then I'm playing some festivals.
Oh, nice.
I'm playing this one festival this month
Oh.
in Dehradun itself.
What's the name of the festival?
So it's by the name Cocktail Collective,
Okay.
and they are hosting some good headliners as well. And also just gonna focus more on my mentorship towards my students.
Yes.
And try and help them achieving what they want,
Yeah.
right? And I think if they achieve what they want, eventually I will also
Yeah.
achieve what I want.
Yeah. That's right. That's right.
Right.
मुझे लगता है कि जब स्टूडेंट्स कुछ अचीव करते हैं तो टीचर्स का जो बैक में हाथ है, दैट्स अ ब्लेसिंग इन इटसेल्फ.
Yes,
या सो अभी हम ना पॉडकास्ट के एंड में आ ही चुके हैं. सो वी आर हैप्पी अबाउट इट कि ख़त्म हुआ.
I'm very happy that I got the opportunity by to share my thoughts, and very happy for you guys that you have started this initiative.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And best of luck, and I am gonna be back here when you guys are 100K.
ओह,
When you are also at 100K.
दैट्स नाइस.
बहुत मजा आया.
थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर कमिंग बैक फ्लैश, बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि तुम्हारे अंदर की ह्यूमिलिटी, ग्रेटफुलनेस और एक ओपननेस टू टेल एंड लिसन, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर कमिंग एंड
Thank you भरत भाई आने के लिए बहुत
एंड एवरीबडी जो
हमारा सम्मान रखा.
All me, I'm always there.
जो भी ये देख रहा है पॉडकास्ट, थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वाचिंग. मेरे ख्याल से लगभग 45 मिनट तो हो गए होंगे देखते हैं आपको. सो इफ़ यू हैव बीन देयर इतनी देर तक, अ वेरी बिग थैंक, वेरी बिग थैंक. Thanks for coming, and if you like it, subscribe and share and like and
share.
is
Subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, guys. They're working really hard with the setup. And setup के पीछे भी जो हमारे भाई हैं, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से सारी चीज़ें करी हैं. So you need to give it to the crew and to these guys. And in the last for me. So please subscribe, guys.
Yeah.